Apple released the iOS 15 update last September. If you installed this major update, then you might have noticed additional features or some settings that somehow got turned off. These sneaky little settings might not just improve your day-to-day experience, but toggling them back on will also give you better control of the data you're sharing with the internet. In this video, we'll dive into settings and get started on doing the first things to do on your newly updated iPhone. First is preventing cross-site tracking. Apple is big with privacy as they launched the iOS 15 update. This update can alter how your iPhone can interact with the internet, specifically third parties that crave your personal information. Rule of thumb is not to let advertisers track you as you go across multiple websites. Ever experience visiting a website like, let's say, Williams-Sonoma? Then you're on CNN and you'll see a bunch of ads for kitchenware? You can prevent being tracked like that. You go to Settings, go to Safari, scroll up, and in the Privacy and Security, you'll see Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Speaking of Safari, if you're the type of person who leaves their tabs open and totally forgets about them, then this setting is for you. Still in Safari setting, scroll down and tap on Close Tabs. Choose your preferred duration. I usually go for after 1 month. This will allow you to keep your Safari tabs clean and up to date with sites you normally visit on a regular basis. Next is protecting your mail activity. This is not turned on by default, so if you want to hide your IP address so senders can't link it to your other online activity or determine your location, then go to the main page of the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Mail. Go to Privacy Protection and toggle on Protect Mail Activity. This intricate backend setting from Apple also prevents senders from seeing if and when you've opened their email. Apple's not joking when they said they value their users' privacy. They even added a great way of knowing which apps are spying on you or excessively collecting your precious data. This is through the Record App Activity setting. To use this new security feature on iOS 15, go to the main page of the Settings app, select Privacy, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap on Record App Activity. Once you toggle it on, it'll start recording the activity of your installed apps and specifically provide a summary of the data that the apps access in the last 7 days. This is the status bar. It appears along the upper edge of the screen and displays useful information about your phone's current state, like the time, cellular carrier, and battery level. It's important to turn this on since it will notify you if any of the system services of Apple is requesting access to your location. Since we're still on the privacy settings, let's go to Location Services. Scroll all the way down and look for System Services. You tap on it, scroll up, and toggle on Status Bar icon. Now, let's talk about passwords. You can save some time in logging into your accounts on your phone, whether you're logged in on Chrome or your iCloud keychain. To allow your passwords to autofill, let's go back to the main page of the Settings app. Tap on Passwords, tap on Autofill Passwords, and choose iCloud Keychain, or if you use Google Chrome, an option will appear to turn that on as well. Now let's head into some settings that can make your everyday life more convenient. One of the most talked about setting update is Focus, previously named Do Not Disturb. In iOS 15, iPhone users have new options like Do Not Disturb while driving, reading, and even gaming. But the thing you might want to do here is to allow notifications from people you might want to receive updates on in case of an emergency or in case you're waiting for a very important text or call. Here's how to do it. So on the main page of the Settings app, choose Focus. Click Allow People and add the people you want to receive notifications from even if you're on Do Not Disturb mode, and then tap Done. In line with this, to ease you out of the hassle of toggling on and off your Do Not Disturb, you can also schedule your Do Not Disturb. Let's say you have a 9-to-5 job that requires you to focus on work. Then this setting is going to be a big help. Still here on the Do Not Disturb setting, so let's tap Add Schedule and Automation. And here you can set up your time, location, and app. So here I'm going to set up from 9 to 5 p.m. and the location is work. And the app is when I open, let's say Zoom, so I don't want to take any messages or calls while I'm in a meeting. The next setting is perfect for people who want to sync their messages on their devices. Go back to the main page of Settings, and let's go to Messages. Scroll down and look for Text Messaging Forwarding. Tap on it, and toggle the devices you want the text message to be sent and received. Let's say you received a message on your iPhone, and with this setting turned on, you can just read the message on your Mac. Let's be honest, we've all been here, taking a live photo instead of a still photo. In iOS 15, you can solve this problem by preserving your camera setting. Simply go back to the main page of Settings, tap on Camera, and click on Preserve Settings. Toggle on the things you want to preserve instead of having them automatically reset every time you're using the camera. As a bonus, we have a battery hack for you to save those precious battery percentages. We all want to preserve the battery health of our iPhones, so make sure you have turned this setting on. Go back to the main page of Settings and choose Battery Health. Toggle on Optimize Battery Charging. This conditions your iPhone to optimize your phone based on your charging routine. Stay tuned for a full video on settings you can change to save more battery on your iPhone. Apple continues to innovate its settings to improve user experience, giving better options on privacy and accessibility. Hopefully these tips helped you out on just some of the ways to take advantage of the new iOS 15 update to set up your iPhone just the way you like it. I also went over more hidden features like this on my iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro hidden features video. So if you want to learn more, make sure to check it out in the card above and in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. If you have any questions or found any of these tips helpful, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.